Namaste. In this session, we are going to learn how to make parts of screw jack in the simplest way. Here, some parts we can create with the help of a cylinder tool directly without sketch. Those parts we are going to discuss in this session. Open the Fusion 360 software by entering the mail ID and password. Let's open the Fusion 360. This is the main interface of the Fusion 360. Here there are seven parts are there. First I am going to create the part 2, that is nut. Just I will clearly show the part 2. This is the part 2. By observing this, first I am going to draw the one circle at bottom of diameter 50. Extrude this circle at a height of 45 minus 20, 25 mm. Over this, I am going to draw one more circle of diameter 90. Extrude this circle at a height of 10. Over this, I am going to draw one more circle of diameter 50 at a height. Extrude this at a height of 10 mm. Open the Fusion 360. I'm going to click on Create tab, select Cylinder, Horizontal Plane, Center of Circle is this origin, diameter 50, click OK, diameter 50, height 25, click on OK, Create Cylinder, select on this space, Center of Circle is this, and 90 mm diameter, click OK, height of this circle is 10. Click on OK. Create tab, cylinder, select on this space. Draw the circle of diameter 50. Click OK. Height of this cylinder is 10. Click on OK. Here there is a fillet is there of radius 5 and round is there of radius 5. Select fillet. Select these edges. Give radius 5. Click on OK. Next here threads are there of diameter. Hole is 38 into 7. Square thread is there. Select hole option. Click on this space. I am going to place it at middle. Here select simple hole. Threaded. Select ISO trapezoidal thread. Size 38. Designation 38 into 7. Total height of the hole is give 50. Click OK. See now here threads are formed. Modify physical material. Material of the nut is iron cast. Select metal. Drag and drop on the space. Close. Click on save. Part number 2 and part name is nut. Now move to the next part. Next part is the third part, that is screw spindle. Here also I am going to use the cylinder tool to create the part 3. Here at bottom I am going to draw the circle of diameter 38. Extrude this circle at a height of 240 minus 83. Select this space and draw one more circle of diameter 65. Extrude this circle at a height of 83 minus 13, 70. Select this space. Over this, I am going to draw one more circle of diameter 22. Extrude this circle at a height of 13. New tab. Select create tab. Choose cylinder. horizontal plane, center of circle is origin, diameter of circle is 38, click OK, height of extrude this circle at a height of 240 minus 83, click on OK, create tab, cylinder, select this space, center of circle is this, diameter of the circle is 65, height of 70, click OK, create tab, cylinder, select this space, center of circle is this, diameter of circle is 22, click OK, height of this cylinder is 13, click OK. Now here chamfer is there, chamfer dimension is 10 into 45, modify chamfer, here we should select type, distance and angle, select these two edges, length is 10, angle 45, click OK. Then here hole is there of diameter 12 mm, hole depth is 35 and internal threads are there, M12 thread is there, thread depth is 30. Select hole on this space. First I am going to place the center of the hole. Simple, tabbed, offset, total hole depth is 35. Here I am going to select the ISO metric profile. Hole depth is 35. Thread depth is 30. Next size is 12. Then click OK. Just I will show you either right or wrong. Inspect, section analysis about this. Flip, see just you observe here. Okay, na? Click OK. Next, here we have to apply the thread. 38 into 7, square thread is there. Create tab, thread, select paste this, ISO, metric trapezoidal threads, designation 38 into 7, click OK. Modify, chamfer, select this edge, here select equal distance, 3.8, click OK. Next, in this part, circular hole is there of diameter 12. Create sketch, select ZX plane, draw the circle of diameter 12, dimension from this edge to center of circle is 35, then center of circle and this origin should be same vertical line, finish sketch, click on home icon, extrude, direction symmetry, just drag these arrow marks, removing the material both side. Now here I am going to apply the knurling here, modify, appearance, bases, fusion appearance, metals, steel, in steel we have to select steel knurled, drag and drop on the space, click OK. Now I am going to applying the material, modify, physical material, the material of This part is a mild steel. Drag and drop on this part. Close. Click save. Part number is 3. Part name is screw, screw spindle. Save. Okay, next move to the next. Next part is the fifth part, that is washer is there. See, just I'm going to zoom the fifth part. Here, this is the washer, front view and top view. Here, I'm going to draw the circle of diameter 35. Extrude this circle of height 8 mm. And at center, hole is there, that is countersink hole. Countersink diameter is 25, hole diameter is 14.5, height of total depth of the hole is 8 mm. Create tab, select cylinder, horizontal plane, click center of the circle is origin, diameter 35, enter height 8, click OK. Select hole feature on this face. I'm going to place the hole at the middle of this. Now I'm going to select the hole type is countersink, hole tap simple, and the drill bit is angle. Here total height of the hole is 8, diameter of the countersink is 25, then hole diameter is 14.5. Click on OK. Here I'm going to apply the fillet on this edge. Here edge diameter is not given. I will assume 1 mm radius. Click OK. Applying the material, modify, physical appearance, metal. In metal, I'm going to select the cast iron, drag and drop on this part, close, click on save. Part number 5, part name is visor, click on save. Next part is the sixth part, that is the CSK screw. Here, just I will zoom the part 6. This is the part number 6, front view and top view of the screw. Here I am going to draw the one circle of diameter 24. Extrude this circle of height 6 mm and angle is given. I am going to apply the angle 90 divided by 245. Okay. Then after that, here one more circle I am going to draw of diameter 12. Extrude this at a height of 30 minus 6, 24. Select create sketch, horizontal plane, draw the circle of diameter 24. Click on finish sketch. Select extrude feature. Here I'm going to give height minus 6. Downward I want to. Then angle minus 45. Click OK. See like this. Then after that, create cylinder. I'm going to draw the cylinder. First I'm going to select the base this. Center of circle is this. Then diameter of the circle is 12. Press enter key. Give height 24. Click OK. Next, in this part, there is a rectangular slot is there of width 2 mm and depth 3 mm. Create sketch. Select ZX plane. Draw the rectangle. Give all dimensions. Depth of this rectangle is 3 mm. Then width is 2 mm. And from center to this is 1. Okay, like this I'm going to draw the rectangle. Click on finish sketch. Select extrude feature. direction symmetry. I'm going to removing the material by dragging these arrow marks. Click on OK. Now in this part, thread is there. M12 type. Create thread on this base. M12. Click on OK. Then we have to apply the chamfer on this edge. 1.2 is the length. Click on OK. Then modify, applying the material, physical material, metal. In this metal, cast iron, drag and drop this on this part. Close. OK. Save part number 6, CSK screw. Click on save. Next part is the seventh part, that is Tommy bar. See, this is the Tommy bar. Here, first I am going to draw the circle of diameter 12 mm. Extrude this circle of height 62. After that, I am going to draw one more circle here of diameter 20 and extrude at a height of 275 minus 62. Then in this part, there is a chamfering is there on this edge of angle 45 degree, and here also chamfering is there. Here length is not given, just I will assume 12 into zero point 0.1, that is 1.2, and on this edge round is there of radius 10. Then knurling we have to apply of a length 100 mm. Select create tab, click on cylinder on this plane, click circle. Center of circle is this origin, diameter 12, click OK, height 62, click on OK, select again create tab, cylinder on this face, center of the circle is this, diameter 20, click on OK, height 275 minus 62, click on OK. I am going to insert the one reference plane, click construct tab, offset plane, offset to this plane of distance 175, that is 275 minus 100, 175. That means from this edge to this reference plane distance is 100 mm. Click modify tab, select split face, faces to split. This cylinder splitting tool is this reference plane. Click. See here there are two parts are there. I'm going to applying the knurling on this face. Modify appearance, select here faces, metal, steel, then steel knurled. You applying the knurling on this face, drag and drop on that face, click on close. Click chamfer. There is a chamfer is there on this face, distance 4. Then one more chamfer is there on this edge. Just I am going to assume chamfering length is 1.2. Click OK. Then click on round. Select this edge, radius 10. Click on OK. Now I'm going to applying the material, modify, physical material, metal, then here iron cast, drag and drop on this part, click on close, click on save, give part number 7, part name is Tommy bar, click on save.